Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and today I want to share something I spotted that really caught my attention. It might look like a small tweak at a first glance, but trust me, it could signal a big shift in the way we think about the search and the advertising. Here is the update. Google has started giving users the option to actually hide sponsored results directly in the search results. So yes, you heard that right. Imagine you are searching for something, you see the ads at the top and now you can simply click hide them. For years the ad have been the first thing users see and the advertisers have relied on that visibility to drive the clicks. But for now, Google is handling some of the control back to the user. So let's pause and think about what this means. On the surface, it's just a button, but in reality, it could reshape the balance between the paid and the organic search. If users start hiding sponsored results more often, organic listing will naturally reclaim your visibility. Paid CTR could start dipping and suddenly the tug of war between the SEO and the PPC performance gets a new referee, that is the user choice. For the advertisers, this is both exciting and worrying. Exciting because it forces us to rethink strategy, worrying because it could reduce the guaranteed visibility we have always counted on. It's almost like Google is saying we will show ads but only if the users want to see them, and that changes the psychology of search. The ads will need to feel less intrusive and more valuable, otherwise users will simply swipe them away. From an SEO perspective, this could be a golden opportunity. If the organic results start getting more attention, businesses that have invested in strong content, technical SEO and the authority will benefit. But it could also mean the competition for the organic ranking will even get tougher because now the stakes are higher. As someone who lives in the world of search every single day, I see this as a wake-up call. We might be entering an era where user choices reshape how we optimize and advertise. It's no longer about bidding higher or writing sharper ads. It's about creating experiences that users don't want to hide and will need to blend seamlessly with the value, and the SEO will need to double down on trust and relevance. So here is my take. Don't panic, but don't ignore this either. If this option becomes widely adopted, could change the balance of digital marketing strategies in a very real way. And the businesses that prepare early by strengthening both their paid and the organic presence will lead to the ones that thrive. At Softrix, we will be keeping an eye on this because updates like these often start small and then snowball into the major shifts. And as always, I will be there to break it down for you in simple, actionable terms. So what do you think about this? Will this impact the SEO strategies or the ad performance in the longer run? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this is one of those updates where the community's perspective matters just as much as the data.